Next one is energy losses in the transformer. So first type of loss is flux losses. Okay, when I have told you about the theory, then we have assumed that all the magnetic flux produced in the primary coil is linked with the secondary coil, but the coupling of a primary and secondary coil is never perfect. That's why the whole of the magnetic flux produced in the primary coil never gets linked up with the secondary coil. So due to this, there will be some flux losses. Second one is copper losses. So due to the resistance of winding of primary and secondary coils, some electrical energy is always converted into heat energy. So this type of loss is called copper losses. Okay, and this loss is due to the windings, resistance of the windings. Third one is iron losses. The varying magnetic flux produces eddy currents in the iron core, and due to that there will be some wastage of energy in the form of heat due to this iron core or eddy currents, and it is minimized by using a laminated iron core. So by using laminated iron core, we have minimized it but not totally reduced it. So that's why we have a small amount of iron losses also. Next one is high hysteresis losses. The alternating current flowing through the coils magnetizes and demagnetizes the iron core again and again. Because the current is alternating, so it will again and again magnetizes and demagnetizes the iron core, and during each cycle of magnetization some energy is lost due to hysteresis. This loss of energy can be minimized by selecting the material of the core. So by selecting the proper material, we can reduce hysteresis losses, which has a narrow hysteresis loop. We can choose a material for which the hysteresis loop is very narrow, because we know that loss of energy in case of hysteresis is equal to the area of the loop. So we will use such a material for which the hysteresis loop is narrow, that's why area will be narrow, so less loss of energy will be there. Next one is humming losses. So due to the passage of alternating current in the core of the transformer, it starts vibrating and produces humming sound. Thus, some part of electrical energy is wasted in the form of humming sounds produced by the vibrating core of the transformers. Okay, due to the passage of alternating current in the core, okay, this core will start vibrating, and due to the vibrations it produces some humming sound. So there will be some part of electrical energy is lost in the form of sound energy, or you can say in the form of humming sounds. So these are the types of losses in the transformer. So first is flux losses, second one is copper losses, third is iron losses, fourth hysteresis losses, and last one is humming losses. Thank you.